Hi, I'm Luke Linzinger, a student at Gull Lake High School, and today I will be showing you some of the things I've learned that professionals use in the industry while being a Python programmer in our computer science and software engineering course. This right here is a hypervisor where you manage your virtual machines. Taking snapshots is pretty easy. You click the take button and you can name it anything you want, and once you take it, it saves the current state of your virtual machine. Right now I'm in my Linux virtual machine and I'm on GitKraken, which we use to manage all of our Python programming coding. Right now I'm checking out the welcome branch, so I go to PyCharm. You can see all the stuff we've added into PyCharm for our welcome branch. You can also go here and check out the previous saves, I believe. I think if we right click here and click check out this commit, we can go back to Python and see where we started from. And as we go up the list, we get more and more stuff added in. See how it replaces it because we're checking that out. And eventually, once we just get back into the welcome, it's going to all be there. And now I'm going to do the same with weather and show you what we've done there. So right now this is my efficient code that ChatGPT helped me with that made it 8 lines long. But if we go to before I did that, if we check out that commit, you'll see that there's a lot more code, almost 48 lines of code. And I got that down to 8 somehow. And if you just go from the start again, like we did, oh, wrong one. Check out this commit. See how much we've actually done over the couple days working in this one. So we go back to here, you can see just the big difference. Now I'm going to check out our gasoline. This is how much we've had right now. I've got some comments in there to tell me what certain things do. Go to the first commit and see we just have printing my name and what the branch is. And as you move forward, just get more and more stuff added in. You just want to commit every couple things you do to make sure stuff works and save stuff and push it to the internet, to the cloud. So right here you got even more. As you can see, it just gets larger and larger as you go, and it's neat how you can check out the stuff you've done before or go back to it just in case something's not working. So now I'm going to show you how to merge two branches. So I'm going to check out beta test dev and not the main, because you never want to merge into main and edit in main, because that's what people see. So if we go to beta test dev, check that out, see that we're checking it out right now with all our stuff. Then we can right click on gasoline and we click merge gasoline into beta test dev. So that puts that there, and it says there's a conflict, so we want to go in here, remove head, because you don't want that. I want to go here, remove that. Go in here, remove gasoline. And then we want to copy all of this. We want to put it in between the welcome and weather branch. So I'm going to do a Control C, or we can do a Control X. I'm just going to do a Control C and remove it. We can come so between welcome and weather, so our weather's right here. We can enter once or twice and paste it right here. We could remove these, and now it should run. We can check if it works by clicking play to run it in the interpreter. Pause it for a second, wait for it to load up. Okay, so our system booted up, then it gave us a warning that we're out of gas. It's calling some services to help us, and it told us the National Weather Service updated your alarm by 60 minutes due to icy conditions. VRS engaged, max speed 45 miles an hour, so we can see that everything's working. I'll run it again and see if other iterations are working. Okay, so here's another iteration. We got your gas tank's 3/4 a tank. You're good to go. The National Weather Service updated your alarm by 30 minutes due to snowy. VRS engaged, max speed 45 miles an hour, so it looks like we have multiple iterations working. We should be good for that. So now once I fix that, I fix the merge conflict, so I can go here, click mark as resolved, and commit and merge. So once we've done that, we can push it to the internet. So if I'm on a different virtual machine, it also is there. So it should be good now. So now since I've done that, I can go to my Trello. This is what we use to manage what we're doing and make sure we're on track. So I can check mark this since I just did that. And the cool thing about this is you can just drag and drop. So I finished that, I can drag it there. And I finished merging branches. So I can finish merge gasoline and beta test and check iteration since I did that. And I'm going to head over to my Windows VM and do some more stuff there. Now I'm on my Windows virtual machine, and I'm going to go to my Visual Code Studio, and you'll see we don't have all the gasoline stuff. We just added and inserted into my beta test dev. So we're going to want to go to GitHub Desktop and click Fetch Origin. It's going to check out, or not check out, but see what we need to do. And then it's going to ask us to pull, so we're going to pull down to get all the stuff we just pushed when we were on Linux. So once we pull all that down, once we go to Visual Code Studio, you can see that gasoline is now in here. Let me see where it starts and ends real quick. Right here, we have in the middle here, we have gasoline now. That's now in here because we pulled down from the internet. And we can check if it works again in here, check the iterations in the interpreter. So we'll click play on that. Okay, so it looks like it worked on here. We're out of gas again, so it's calling help. And the National Weather Service calls for sunny skies outside, drive safe. VRS engaged, max speed 70 miles an hour. So it looks like I'll run it again, make sure everything's working good, and it should be good so far. Here's another iteration saying we have half a tank and we're good to go, and there's icy roads, so max speed is 45 miles an hour. Looks like that's going good. And we also use GitHub to kind of be like a base, I guess, where we put everything on. And you can come on here if you're not on your virtual machines or on the East or West Coast or wherever you are, and you can actually edit the code, but you can't run it. So you can come in here and edit stuff, change stuff up, add stuff, do anything you really want in here. And once you do a change, you just come up here and commit, and it's like you're on the GitHub desktop or Git Kraken. It's basically the same thing, just it doesn't there's no autofilling, tabbing to autofill or anything, so you have to write everything out. And that's pretty much it for today's vlog. So I want to thank you for taking your time to watch and learn a little bit more with me. Bye.